How to fix error 0x80070490 when updating Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help fix error 0x80070490 when updating Windows 10. 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 2. Perform an SFC scan, SFC/scano, and dism.exe. /online/cleanup image/restore health/source c:\repair source/windows/limit access, as admin. 3. Reset Windows Update components. 4. Disable third-party antivirus program. Plan B, check for viruses using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 5. Repair Windows or perform a system restore. 6. Create a new user account with administrator privileges. 7. Check Windows Update services are running properly. Windows Update Service, Background Intelligent Transfer Service and Cryptographic Service. 8. Delete software distribution. Folder at c:\Windows on Windows Safe Mode. 7. For Xbox players, power cycle then reset your console. Ref, https://support.xbox.com/n-us/help/error/error-code-0x80070490. Error 0x80070490 or 80070490 occurs when you use your Xbox One or Windows 10 PC.